Have you ever wondered what it would be like to walk on another planet without leaving Earth? Well, pack your bags, because I'm about to take you on a journey to a place so extraordinary that NASA actually uses it to train astronauts for Mars missions. Welcome to Iceland, where reality is more spectacular than any fantasy movie you've ever seen. What you're about to discover will completely change how you think about our planet. From waterfalls that pour from heaven to caves made of crystal, Iceland holds secrets most people never witness. And trust me, by the end of this, Iceland will be at the very top of your bucket list. Let's start with something that sounds impossible but is absolutely real. Picture a beach where the sand is jet black, and scattered across it are diamonds. Not real diamonds, but chunks of ice, so perfectly clear and beautifully shaped that they sparkle like the most expensive gems on Earth. This is Diamond Beach, where icebergs from a nearby glacier break off, get polished by ocean waves, and wash ashore. The contrast is mind-blowing. The black volcanic sand creates this dramatic backdrop that makes the ice diamonds pop. Photographers travel from all over just to capture this surreal scene, but no camera can truly do it justice. You have to see it with your own eyes to believe nature can create something so impossibly beautiful, but Diamond Beach is just the beginning. Let me tell you about a place that will make you question everything you thought you knew about waterfalls. Most waterfalls flow down, right? Well, in Iceland, there's a waterfall that seems to flow upward. Svartafoss, the Black Falls, cascades down between towering black basalt columns that look like they were carved by master architects. And here's where it gets crazy. When the wind hits just right, the water gets caught in an updraft and starts flowing upward, creating this anti-gravity effect that looks like something out of a science fiction movie. These basalt columns formed millions of years ago when lava cooled at just the right rate, creating perfect geometric shapes. Standing beneath Svartafoss feels like being inside a massive cathedral built by the Earth itself. Now, if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about Iceland's underground secrets. Beneath the surface lies a world so alien, it's been used for countless movie sets. The Vatnshellar Cave is a lava tube that formed 8,000 years ago, and walking through it is like stepping into the belly of the Earth. The walls are covered in incredible formations that look like frozen waves. But here's what really blew my mind. The colors. Most people think of caves as dark and gray, but Vatnshellar glows with incredible hues of red, orange, and gold from the iron oxide in the volcanic rock. When you shine a light on the walls, it's like being inside a living rainbow. The silence down there is so complete, you can hear your own heartbeat. But Iceland saves its most spectacular show for the sky. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, dance across Iceland's night sky with an intensity that's impossible to find anywhere else. What makes Iceland special isn't just that you can see the aurora, it's that the entire landscape becomes part of the show. Picture green and purple lights dancing across the sky, reflecting off glacial lakes and volcanic peaks. It's like the entire country becomes a canvas for the universe's greatest light show. The best part? The aurora in Iceland is so intense that even smartphone cameras can pick up the colors. But honestly, no camera can capture the feeling of standing beneath those dancing lights. Here's something that will really shock you. Iceland is home to a place where you can literally see the Earth splitting apart. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge runs right through Iceland, and at Thingvellir National Park, you can walk in the Rift Valley between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. You can actually see the crack in the Earth where two continents are slowly pulling apart. Every year, the gap gets about 2 centimeters wider. Standing in this Rift Valley is a humbling experience. You're literally on the edge of continental plates that have been separating for millions of years. What makes all of this even more incredible is that Iceland combines fire and ice in ways that seem to defy physics. Geysers shoot boiling water hundreds of feet into the air while surrounded by snow. Hot springs maintain perfect bathing temperatures even when the air is below freezing. It's like nature threw all the rules out the window. The people of Iceland have learned to harness this incredible natural power. Nearly all of their energy comes from renewable sources, generated by the very forces that create these spectacular landscapes. As we've journeyed through Iceland's most unbelievable sights, one thing becomes clear. Our planet is far more spectacular than we realize. Iceland doesn't just offer beautiful scenery, it offers a glimpse into the incredible forces that shaped our world. If this video has sparked your sense of adventure, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which of these Icelandic sights you want to experience first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.